A solution of two components containing N1 moles of the first component and N2 moles of the second component is prepared. M1 and M2 are the molecular weight of component 1 and 2 respectively. If D is the density of the solution in gram per ml, C2 is the molarity and X2 is the mole fraction of second component, then concentration C2 can be expressed as, according to the question, they are asking us to find out the concentration. Concentration किसका find करना है? Component 2 का. So let us first of all extract the data from the question. Component 1. Component 1 के लिए क्या दिया हुआ है? First is N1 mole. Okay. दूसरा दिया हुआ है molecular mass M1 molecular weight. And for component 2, what is given? N2 moles. Molecular mass is M2. And one more information they have given, that is mole fraction of component 2. Mole fraction, that is X2. So to solve this, we will apply three following steps. Step number 1. First is concentration. Concentration is nothing but mole per liter. Mole per liter can I write down like this? N2 mole per liter. Volume in liter. But can I write down in ml? Volume in ml. So formula becomes N2 into 1000 upon volume in ml. This is my step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 2, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction is nothing but moles upon total moles. Mole fraction of component 1 will be N1 upon N1 plus N2. For component 2, it will be N2 upon N1 plus N2. N2 को सब्जेक्ट बना देते हैं. N2 is equal to mole fraction of component 2 N1 plus N2. And step number 3, we will apply density. Density is nothing but mass upon volume. Volume will be mass upon density. Now we know very well. Mass की वैल्यू क्या इनपुट करने की? So here mole is nothing but weight upon molecular weight. So therefore weight will be equal to mole into molecular weight. Therefore, can I say mass can be written like this: N1 M1 plus N2 M2. क्या है? Total mass. Total mass of solute and solvent. So these three concepts we are going to apply. Now can I write down? Volume will be N1 M1 plus N2 M2 divided by density. So these three steps we are going to apply. So concentration is nothing but N2 into 1000 upon volume. Substitute the value of volume N2 into 1000 upon volume. Volume is given N1 M1 plus N2 M2 divided by density. N2 into 1000 density को ऊपर ले लो N1 M1 plus N2 M2. Can we write down like this? N2 is nothing but mole fraction N1 plus N2 into 1000 into density divided by N1 M1 plus N2 M2. X2 into 1000 into density divided by N1 M1 plus N2 M2 whole divided by N1 plus N2. So can it be written like this? X2 into 1000 into density upon N1 M1 upon N1 plus N2 plus N2 M2 divided by N1 plus N2. So it can be written like this. C2 is equal to mole fraction into 1000 into density divided by mole fraction of component 1 M1 plus mole fraction of component 2 M2. Okay. Now सब्जेक्ट किसको बना रहे हैं? सब्जेक्ट बना रहे हैं कंपोनेंट 2 को. तो मोल फ्रैक्शन into 1000 density x1 can be written like this: 1 minus x2 m1 plus x2 m2. So x2 into 1000 into density divided by m1 minus x2 m1 plus x2 m2 is equal to x2 into 1000 into density m1 plus m2 x2 minus x2 m1. Bus rearrange the terms. x2 into 1000 into 10 m1 plus m2 minus m1 x2 common. So this is our required answer. So our answer will be C2 1000 density x2 m1 plus x2 m2 by m1. Our answer is C.